Hello friends, welcome to Tamu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we'll discuss about biology NEET course. So from that 8th class, we are taking all the syllabus and we are covering from 6th to all the levels. So here, what is our concept? Today's concept about endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi bodies and lysosome. So, based on these three concepts, we'll discuss the frequently asked questions and multiple choice questions and their answers. So, what is our first question? An irregular network of tube-like membrane present throughout the cytoplasm. An irregular network of tube-like membrane present throughout the cytoplasm. Which one is irregular network of tube-like membrane? So first one we know that is options endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, ribosome and lysosome. So we know that is the answer is endoplasmic reticulum. A. Next one. Second one. Which of the following statements are true regarding endoplasmic reticulum? So, which of the following statements are true? First one, endoplasmic reticulum provides structural framework to the cell. Next one, endoplasmic reticulum acts as an intercellular transporting system. Next, SER stands for smooth endoplasmic reticulum is involved on synthesis of lipids. So, synthesis of lipids and all of this. So we know that is smooth are involved in synthesis of lipids and rough endoplasmic reticulum is involved on synthesis of proteins. So we know that is the answer is all of this. Next, third one. During prolonged starvation, dash provide energy for cellular metabolism. First one lysosomes, next ribosomes, Golgi complex and nucleus. So we know that is lysosomes during prolonged starvation. First option lysosomes provide energy for cellular metabolism. Next one, fourth one. So our fourth question, where in the cell does new nuclear membrane synthesis takes place? So cell does new nuclear cell membrane synthesis takes place. In which place? Golgi apparatus, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum and lysosomes. Fourth one we know that is in endoplasmic reticulum, option C, where new nuclear membrane synthesis takes place. Next question. What are the types of endoplasmic reticulum ER based on the morphology? So what are the types of ER? What types of endoplasmic reticulum are there based on morphology? So option A, cisternae and tubules and vesicles, all of this. So we know that is all three are endoplasmic reticulums based on morphology. So all of these option. Correct answer is all of this. Next one, sixth question. Golgi bodies is absent in. Golgi bodies and absent in sperms, eggs and mature sieve tubes. All of this. So we know that is Golgi bodies will be absent in sperms, eggs, mature sieves. All of these. Option D. Next question, seventh one. Golgi apparatus is often seen associated with. Golgi apparatus is often seen associated with mitochondria, rough endoplasmic reticulum RER, and lysosomes, and none of these. Golgi apparatus is often seen associated with, we know that is rough endoplasmic reticulum, option B. Next one. Besides giving out secretory vesicles, the Golgi apparatus is also concerned with the formation of what one? Options lysosomes, cell wall, cell plate, all of these. So we know that is all of this. Besides secretory vesicles, Golgi apparatus is concerned with the formation of lysosome, cell wall and cell plate. All of this. Next one. Which component of the Golgi apparatus is primarily responsible for receiving proteins to be packaged and modified? So component of the Golgi apparatus is primarily responsible receiving proteins unpacked and modified. First one, cis Golgi, B cisternae, and C trans Golgi and lysosomes. So as we know, so cis Golgi is a option receiving proteins and be packed and modified. Option A. Next one, 10th one, the endoplasmic reticulum that is not studied with the ribosomes on its surface is the major site for synthesis of which one? So endoplasmic not studied with the ribosomes on its surface. So first option, lipids, carbohydrates, proteins and all of these. So we know that is major synthesis of lipids. Endoplasmic reticulum that is not studied with the ribosomes on its surface is the major site synthesis of lipids. We know that is lipids is the answer. Next one, endoplasmic reticulum membrane which is associated with ribosomes is called. So first one, endoplasmic reticulum lumen and smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum lysosomes. So what is our question? Endoplasmic reticulum membrane which is associated with ribosomes. Whenever it is associated with ribosomes, which one will be taken place? So rough endoplasmic reticulum. Why? Because rough endoplasmic reticulum, well, synthesis of proteins and ribosomes also is related to proteins, which is not related to ribosomes, that is lipids. Smooth endoplasmic, 10th one, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which is the synthesis for lipids. For that, name the site where detoxification of toxic substance and drugs takes place. So in which site detoxification, then toxic substance and drugs takes place? Cytosol, rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So 12th one we know that is where the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is the takes place. In this place it will be taken that detoxification and toxic substance drugs takes place. Next question, 13th one, which of the following statement is incorrect regarding endoplasmic reticulum? First one, smooth endoplasmic reticulum involved in synthesis of steroids and lipids. Endoplasmic reticulum provides mechanical support to cytoplasm. And endoplasmic reticulum is generally absent in egg cells, embryonic cells and RBC, red blood cells of mammals. Next question, next option, rough endoplasmic reticulum involved in lipid synthesis. So rough endoplasmic reticulum is an answer, which is not involved in lipid synthesis, which will be involved in rough endoplasmic reticulum, which will be involved in protein synthesis. So for that it is wrong answer. Next, 14th one, a forming phase and maturing phase are seen in this cell organelle. So first one, Golgi complex, B endoplasmic reticulum and chloroplast and mitochondria. So which one? 14th one, a forming phase and maturing phase are seen in the cell organelle, Golgi complex. So option A, 14th option A. Next one, which of the following statements are correct regarding Golgi apparatus? So which of the following statements are correct? Modifies proteins and lipids. Vesicles are filled with secretory materials. Secretion materials are enzyme and hormone. All of this. So we know that is all of this. So one blind logic is, if you don't know answer, go with the all of this. But here these are all correct. Then 16th one, which of the following organelle is called suicidal bags? Rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome and Golgi bodies. So 16th, lysosomes. We can call it as a suicidal bags. So that is a concept. 16th one. Then what is 17th one? So 17th one, the main function of lysosome is, what is that? Main function of lysosomes. So main function, digestion, respiration, translocation and translation. So we know that lysosomes will be involved in digestions, respiration will be involved in mitochondria, translocation endoplasmic translation, endoplasmic reticulum, so all will be involved. Name the organelle that can destroy foreign bodies such as bacteria and dead cells. First option RER, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Second one, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and lysosomes and Golgi bodies. So we can take 18th one is lysosomes. Why? Because it is a suicidal mass. Whenever it is entered into foreign bodies, it will try to kill them. So that is a lysosome function. Which of the following is a function of lysosomes? Autophagy, autolysis, digestion, and all of this. So we know that is lysosomes will be involved majorly digestion. It will be autophagy and autolysis also. Then 20th one, which of the following organelle control intercellular digestion of macromolecules with the help of hydrolytic enzymes? So first one, plastid, peroxisome, and lysosome and actin. So we know that is lysosomes will be involved in a digestion process. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like it. Try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe.